Latoli, I asked, why is it that you use a Tara and Lishalak to fly, when almost all of you are able to levitate? Levitation requires great concentration and quite an expenditure of energy, Michel, even for us, and it only allows us to travel at 7 kilometers per hour. Levitation is used during certain psychic exercises, but it is a poor means of transport. These apparatus are based on the same principle as levitation insofar as they neutralize what we might call the cold magnetic force of the planet. It's the same force that you call gravity and which holds all bodies on the ground. Man, like a piece of rock, is made of matter, but by neutralizing the cold magnetic force by raising certain high-frequency vibrations, we become weightless. Then, in order to move and direct our movement, we introduce vibrations of a different frequency. As you can see, the apparatus that accomplishes this is for us quite simple. This same principle was used by the builders of the pyramids of Mu, Atlantis and Egypt. Thao has already spoken to you of it, but now you will experience for yourself the effect of anti-gravitation. What speed can be attained with these apparatus? With this particular one, you can travel at around 300 kilometers per hour and at whatever altitude you choose, but it's time to get going, the others are waiting. Do you think I'll be able to use it properly? Of course. I will teach you how, and you must pay careful attention when you start. You could have a serious accident if you don't follow my instructions to the letter. Everyone was watching me, however it was Lashnasi who seemed most amused by my anxiety. I held my Lishalak firmly in my hand, its safety strap attached to my forearm. This meant that if I let go of the Lishalak, it would remain with me. My throat was dry. I must say, I was not feeling very confident, but Latoli came over to me and put an arm around my waist, assuring me that she would not let go before I had familiarized myself with the apparatus. She also explained I didn't need to concern myself with the Tara attached to my waist, but that the Lishalak was to be held firmly. First, one had to pull quite firmly on a large button, which rendered the apparatus usable, a little like turning the ignition key in a car. A tiny light appeared indicating readiness. The Lishalak was rather like a pear in shape. It was held with the base downwards, and its top ended in a mushroom-shaped ha, no doubt meant to prevent fingers from slipping. The pear was grasped around its collar.